Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this beautiful Bengali Mishti dish. It's called the Sada Misti. This is one of my favourite Mishtis. It's really hard to come by unless you live in one of the bigger cities where there are Bangladeshi Sweets stores. So that's why here at Marjana's Kitchen we will be proudly showing you how to make this quick and simple delicious Mishti dish, perfect for all year round. Right then, let's get cooking. I'm going to first of all show you all the ingredients. First of all, you will need 2 cups of Chana and 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of Semolina and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Step 1. Prep for the sugar water. You will need 9 cups of water and 5 cups of sugar. Slowly bring it all to the boil and prep for the next step. Blend all the dry ingredients into the chana and mix really well. I then added the ghee and again mix really well for about 3 to 4 minutes until a smooth dough forms. Tear off equal pieces and shape into smooth round balls. Ideally you would want your Sada Misti to be perfectly smooth with no cracks. Once the sugar syrup has started to boil, add the Sada Misti into the boiling water. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes on high heat. Make sure not to uncover the lid. After 20 minutes, turn the heat down onto a medium-low setting and cook for a further 30 minutes. They will definitely grow in size, but there's plenty of room in this pot for them to move about. After about 45 minutes, I uncovered and checked the water level. You see, it hasn't really dehydrated too much. They're still soaking in lots of sugar syrup. Carefully turn the mishtis around, careful not to break them. Pop the lid back on and simmer on a low heat for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the mishti cool down. I'm going to show you a little tips for this mishti. Take the mishti out and pop it into a cold glass of water. If the mishti sinks down to the bottom of the glass, it has cooked. If it hasn't, pop back into the boil for a further few minutes. The total cook time for this mishti was about 50 to 60 minutes. It depends on the size of the mishti really. You want to leave the mishtis to soak overnight in the sugar syrup. Okay, so the next day, I'm going to garnish my Sada Misti with some crumbled moa. These look absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try one, or maybe 2. This Sada Misti was absolutely super fun and easy to make. We hope you make this at home and let us know what you thought of it. It was very soft and juicy. Thanks guys for watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen. We can't wait to see you next time and show you what great new recipe ideas we will be creating. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share, comment and like.